Today I'm sharing how to cut and prepare the squid for stir frying. From this to this. These are pre-packed frozen squid that I got from an online shop, and it has already been cleaned with the stomach and the skin removed. The squid has been thawing for an hour now. The eye has melted and they are soft. Let's wash it. Cut open the packet. Please be careful as there is some liquid in the pack. It can be washed with flour to remove the fishy smell of the squid. However, this squid is very fresh. I will skip the flour part and only wash it with water. The first wash of the squid will form a lot of bubbles. Drain the water. Repeat for the second wash. The third wash will still have a lot of bubbles. The bubble has reduced with the fourth wash. The fifth wash is almost clear. Remove the bone by detaching it from the body and pull it out. Repeat for the second piece. Wash them one more time. See, there are less bubbles now. Rinse off the water. And it is ready to be cut. Remove the fin from both sides. And cut the body into half. Clean up any residue that left from the inside of the squid. Use the tip of the knife to make a line from one end to the other. Start from the top to bottom. Try not to cut too deep as we don't want to separate them into pieces. On the same side of the squid, make another line to cut across from one end to the other and repeat. By doing this, we will get a small diamond pattern on the squid. Continue to cut until the end. Next, cut the squid into 4 pieces vertically. And cut it again into bite-sized pieces. See, there is about 1 × 1.5 inches rectangle. Alright, this is done. Put them in the bowl. Next, repeat the same for both fins. For the tentacles, cut it into bite-sized pieces as well. Leave it in the bowl. Next, repeat with the second piece of the squid. Alright, it is done. Here is the squid that has been washed and cut, ready for stir frying. Stay tuned for a delicious, spicy stir-fry squid with pad thai recipe using this squid. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.